Hello everybody, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. We're going to do another quick video walk-around tour showing you some of the features of this 2023 Rivian R1S. This is an all-electric vehicle from Rivian. It's got a lot of really unique features. I've definitely never quite seen an electric vehicle like this one. So we're going to show you a few of those features, and of course if you're interested in additional information, you can always reach out to us on our website. Happy to answer any questions you may have or even set up a test drive. You can always reach us at feldmannimports.com. So we've got a silver exterior with this really sharp two-tone light gray and a darker gray. Get this nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. Got our driver's seat here. Sunroof stretching from the front to the rear. Got our steering wheel here. Yeah, let's go ahead and hop inside. So we've got our key right here. It's definitely a unique key. It's kind of got this kind of unique key ring part to it there. Anyway, so once you get the key in here, there is no start button. You just put your foot on the brake and then you would shift it into drive or reverse, and then you're ready to go. So we've got our touchscreen display here, currently showing navigation. Here is our backup camera. Sorry, there we go, backup camera. Can show you the radio here. We've got vehicle settings, lighting settings, got parking cameras, your climate menu. Do have heated and ventilated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. And there's just so much more that we could show you here within this menu system, but definitely recommend stopping in if you're interested in this vehicle, chatting with one of our sales team or reaching out to our online team. Happy to answer any questions you may have at the time. We also have our shifter here, very similar to the Mercedes-Benz. Flip it up for reverse, down for drive, and then push in the button there for park. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out, show you the rear seats as well as the third row seats next. So, we got our rear seats here. Another look at that sunroof. Again, stretches both front and rear. There's also a third row seating sunroof, which is very unique. Don't see that very often. We've got rear climate controls back here. And then one more quick peek back up front. Really love that wood grain accent trim. That's just really sharp, definitely unique. And then if you want to access your third row seats, you've got a button here, and it'll power move the seat up to make it easy to get to the back. And then you just manually lock it back into place yourself there. Coming around to the rear, we've got our Rivian and R1S badging. We've got a power opening and closing trunk. And then if you wanted to flip down the seats for a little extra storage, you do have some buttons here which will flip down the second row seats. And then you've got a lever here to manually flip down your third row seats. And then we'll close our lift gates and then push button to close the trunk. So once again, this is the 2023 Rivian R1S. If you're interested in additional information or you want to set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.